good afternoon everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've come down to Woolacombe Beach to take a look around and show you a little bit of the town by here. So without further ado, I'll turn you around and show you the car park. Quite an expensive car park, this one, and it's currently undergoing a bit of a demolition and rebuild phase, which I'll put a picture up of now in a second.
Look at these eyes, they're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine, before all that you put me through. I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you.
So because of the works up on the other side of the beach, we've had to come sort of midway down the beach to another access point.
Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
This is my castle I made.
It's a beautifully long sandy beach where I would have just showed you on the drone. So now let's take you up and show you some of the shops and restaurants in the area. There's a beach shop up by there, and next to that there's a little surf shop where you can get your swimsuits and boards and such. And of course some fish shops, a pasty shop. Some more surf shops up by there. And just down on the corner by here is the Woolacombe Bay Hotel. I don't know if you can see, but right up on the hill in the background up there, that's another car park you can go and park in. It's got a lovely view across Woolacombe Bay. There's a restaurant by there.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
So as you can see from the place, if you like beaches, this is the place to come. You can spend all day here on the lovely beach, and there's shops for you to have a little look in also. So what did you think to that? Please let me know down below. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.